Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video tutorial that how I got unlimited coins and diamonds on DLS 22. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys step by step that how you can get it also on your mobiles. Okay, so I'm just going to open a new account, as you can see, and you're going to see immediately that I got unlimited golden coin and diamonds on DLS 22. So I'm going to demonstrate to you step by step, guys, that how you can do it and how you can get the mod also. So all you have to do, guys, you need to watch this video tutorial until the end, and then to make sure you follow the steps I'm going to show you in this tutorial. The mod works in all kind of devices, iOS and Android, so you just need to do the same steps I'm showing you in this tutorial also for the Android devices. Okay, so before we start the process, we need to make a checking before. So practically you need to go to settings, and then you need to scroll and go to the battery and make sure that you are not in lower power mode, so this yellow sign on the top should be switched off. This is the process to go smooth and easy. Okay, the next step you need to do, you need to get back, and then you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use. You need to search for the website where you're going to find the mod, and it's called freeinjects.com. okay, I'm just focusing for you right now, guys. freeinjects.com. You just enter inside of this website, and you're going to face a bunch of other applications inside of the website. There are the tweaked and modded apps and games practically. So later just scroll it and check, and if you want to get any one of it, you can get it without not need to pay nothing. You just need to search in the freeinjects.com all the apps that we are looking for. Okay, and just going to search in the searching bar DLS 22 mod. Okay, here it comes, and it says get unlimited coins and diamonds, works on iOS and Android. So all you have to do, you need to press in the middle, and then you need to press the sign here, download now. You just wait a couple of seconds, the process of injection of the mod to be done. Okay, it doesn't take too much time, just a couple of seconds, and it will be almost finished. I need to mention to you one more time, guys, that the mod, you can get it also for Android devices, are the same steps I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. Okay, just a few seconds more, we're almost done. The next step, guys, is going to send you to the verifying zone. When it reads over here, download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock DLS 22 mode on your device. So in order to get Dream League Soccer 2022, guys, we need to complete the instructions below, which practically, as you can see here, there are a couple of apps, which most of them are very popular apps and well-known apps, so there is nothing to get worried about it. So how it worked for me, after I downloaded these two apps, and I follow the instructions pop up after on my game, as you saw it, the mod. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how I did. For example, I choose iOS social calendar, I press on it, tap to install. It will send you automatically to the Apple Store in the case when you're using iPhones, and Play Store in the case when you're using Android. So to me, it shows the sign of updated. What we have to do to show the sign of downloading, so practically all you have to do, you need to press it to download it, the app. So after download you will need to open the app for at least 30 seconds. The reason why you need to open for at least 30 seconds, guys, it is that it is enough time required that information and data processed from the website to the game. So after I downloaded the first one and followed the instructions, I got back to the menu and I downloaded the second app, which is Zynga Poker. I downloaded Zynga Poker and I opened for at least 30 seconds also it to do the same process, and after I completed it, it popped up after when I opened the game on my iPhone. So guys, this is my video tutorial for the day, and if it helped you and if you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.